In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Express's free QR code generator. Now, if you want to check out this page, I will link it down in the description below. And as we can see just here, it's free to use forever and no credit card required. So what we're going to do is click on Create Now. Now from here, we have a few different options. With the link, this is where you're going to want to paste in the URL of where you want the QR code to go. So I'm just going to paste in my YouTube channel just here. Then we can choose the style. So we have a few different options. We have these dots, these ones, and these ones as well. We can also choose between the different borders. We can have a square, a rounded square, and a circle. And we can also play around with the marker center. So if we click on that one, that's what it's going to look like. We can then choose different colors. There's only 5 different options, with that being black, blue, orange, red, and green. For this example, let's go with green. Then we get to choose the file format. And there's 3 different options. So if we click on here, there's PNG, JPEG, and SVG. Now for this example, we're just going to use PNG, and then once we're done, we're going to click download. Now once that's downloaded, that's the QR code done. So now you can use it in your designs or wherever you want. Then if someone scans this, they are going to be taken to the URL that you chose. So that's just how simple it is to use Adobe Express's QR code generator. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.